Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to create this makeup look right here, inspired by Jennifer Aniston. It was fun and easy to create it. I've used a few products, and it's actually a makeup look that you can wear also on a daytime. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So now I've already applied some moisturizer and eye cream, and I'll go in with some primer, and I'll use this one by Estee Lauder. You can skip this step if you want, but I'm just going to use that because I have some large pores, mostly here around my nose. And this way also my foundation is going to last a bit longer. But as I said, you can skip this step if you don't want to use any primer, or you don't use primer at all. Now I'm going in with some foundation, and I will be using this one by Dior. It's the Nude Skin, and it's in the shade 020. And I'm going to shake that well because it's really fluid. And I'll apply some drops here on the back of my hand. Then just with my finger I'll apply it all over my face. Now with a beauty blender I'll just blend that into the skin. Now the next step will be to use some concealer, and I'll use this one by Maybelline. Mine, it's in the shade Ivory, and I'm bringing it here down on my cheek to kind of highlight this area. Then here on the bridge of my nose, here between my eyebrows, and a bit here on my chin as around my mouth. And I'll blend that again with a sponge. To give that, you know, bronzy, glowy look that Jennifer Aniston has, I'm going in with some bronzer, this one by Estee Lauder, and I'm going to use a bit on the sides of my forehead, and just here under my cheekbones. And just a bit here under my jawline, on the sides, bringing it down on the neck. Then I'll use some powder, and I'll take this one by Givenchy, and I'll use here on the middle of my forehead. I tend to get oily, and then just a bit here on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my chin. Now for the eyes, I will be using this eyeshadow palette by NYX Cosmetics. It has like this natural colors, natural or neutral colors. I think it's neutral, but it can be also natural. But as you can see, it has a really amazing shades, and it will work really well with the makeup look that I want to create right now. Before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'll use some concealer here on my eyelid. You can use an eyeshadow primer if you want, but also with some concealer is going to work as well. And I'll blend that with a brush. That will help your eyeshadow to stay longer, and you know, it won't fade away, it won't crease or anything like that. And I think it's a nice, you know, affordable option if you don't want to give your money on any eyeshadow primer. Now next I'm going to shape my brows, and I'll use this brow pencil by Pretty Vulgar. I'm just going to brush up my eyebrows and then, you know, just kind of fill in the gaps that I have, but nothing too crazy. And now with a fluffy brush, I'll take this shade right here and I'll apply it all over my lid and into my crease till my brow bone. Now I'm going in with this color right here, and using the same brush, I'll apply that on my crease. Now taking this shade right here, as you can see it's a bit darker, I'll apply it with the same brush on the outer corner of my eyes and into my crease, and I'll try to blend that really well so that there won't be any harsh lines. Now taking a smaller brush, I'll go again with the same shade from here that I've used on my outer corner, and I'll apply it on the lower lash line. Now to kind of define my eyes a little bit more, I'll use an eyeliner, this one by NYX, it's in a brown shade, and I'll use it on my upper lash line. Now for mascara, I'll use this one by Too Faced. It's the Better Than False Lashes in black, and I'll apply it on my upper and lower lashes. And because I want my eyes to be, you know, a bit more sparkly, I'll use this shimmer shade from here, and with a really small brush, I'll apply it here on the inner corner of my eye. But if you don't like that and you prefer your look to be more on the matte side, then you can skip this step. Now for the lips, I will be using two products, and the first one will be a lipstick or lip shade from this lip palette by L'Oreal, and I will be using this shade right here, and I'll apply it with a lip brush all over my lips. And on the top, I'll use this lipstick by YSL, and it's in the shade, I can't see. I think I'm too old and I can't see what it's written here. Okay, I don't know, but anyways, it's in the pink shade. I will link everything down below for you guys. So I'll apply this lipstick on the top, you know, just to give that shiny look. And the last step will be to use some blush, and I'll use this one by Chanel. It's in the shade Rose Initial 72, and I'll use some here on my cheeks. Yeah, and there you have your inspired Jennifer Aniston makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!